So coming into the day, as you can see, I made 872 across my three evals. I was bullish because we've taken out these lows and we had just sharply inversed this daily to the upside. So going down to the 4 hour, there wasn't really anything I was paying attention to here in terms of gaps and to see get hit. But there was this high, which was just kind of the next daily target. Going down to the 1 hour, there was this 1 hour unmitigated gap going into the morning. So with a bullish bias, I wanted to see us. We were like right in here, so reacting off of a 15-minute gap here. Hourly rejection block here. But yeah, it was sending us higher. And if we want to go lower, I think we have to tap this hourly gap, which there's also a 2 hour gap in here, but I don't have it. So at the time, I was looking for a long up to this gap. We go a minute, or let's just go to the 1 minute. So the 1 minute gap here, or the chart here, 9:30 opens here, and there's no long entry. We just kind of rip straight towards the gap. I believe there might have been a 15-second. No. Okay. Yeah, there wasn't a long entry. If you stay on the 30-second here, you'd see the trade that I actually took. So I knew that we could have a reversal or at least a retrace once we hit this hourly unmitigated up here. So I waited and I was looking for a short out of this. And as you could see, ES, this is, what is this? This was the daily objective that I was looking at as well. So ES hits that as we hit this on NQ, this hourly unmitigated. So I was looking for shorts after that. And so, as you could see, it's pretty similar price here. We don't quite get the inverse on ES until later, but I really liked it on NQ. We had a beautiful stop on here and a small 30-second gap. I was actually on my phone because I didn't think something was going to play out. And turns out, I'm gonna look up from my phone right about here on this candle, and I was able to get a fill here. So I put 10 cons on this one. It filled me right here. And I took 10 off here, but just at a 1-to-1. Or just over. So if I had maybe not been on my phone, if I had looked earlier, or if I had more conviction, because even though this is, I'd say, another A setup, I doubled my risk from yesterday. And that's kind of what I want to be risking from now on. Now that I am not in drawdown anymore in my account, I want to be risking between $800 and $1,000 per trade until these are passed. And just coming off of a ton of losses recently, I've just kind of, my confidence has been lowered. So I went break even once I took this intermediate low. And it just plummeted straight to TP. I could have targeted these relative equal lows in here as a low-hanging fruit, because that is the low-hanging fruit objective. First kind of liquidity pool. Really, I wanted to see these get smashed, but they never did. I mean, they just did a little while ago. But I just went for the 1-to-1. So that was the trade of the day. Great way to end the week. I'm now up 3 of my accounts. And I can hopefully, if there's good price action next week, maybe pass them next week and then work towards building the buffer.